Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to do some shading. So you're going to have this sheet here. It's got two sides on it, two levels, so level 1 and level 2. So we're going to start first of all with basic 3D shapes. So we're going to take flat, just outline shapes, and we're going to make them three-dimensional. I do have this sheet here that has the places where you'd want to shade, so you can get a little bit more information to help you out for level 1 and also for level 2. So today I'm going to share with you how to do, first of all, just the sphere. We can kind of talk about this one, then I'll have you guys figure out the rest of them on your own. And the first thing you have to think about when you do this is you have to think about where the light's coming from. So in each one of these images, I was able to put a little flashlight coming down, so you kind of know the general direction of the light. So the light is going to make it lighter. Since the paper's white, we're going to work with black and grays. So we have a couple different pencils to do that. This one's an extra black layout pencil, so this is going to be able to get really dark. And if you want to try it with pencil, just a regular pencil from our bins, you can use this, and this is going to get you more of a gray look, but you can go pretty dark with these as well. Okay, I'm going to use the layout pencil so I can kind of show you that darkness and how it's going to look. So I'm going to come up here to the sphere, and I'm going to be working with adding that darkness on this side. So the light's going to get here, so I'm going to stay away from it. But on this side, I'm going to kind of color it in, add some graphite down right in here. So it's like a backwards C, and I'm just going to lay it down pretty hard on the edge here. This is where the light is not hitting, so that's why I'm doing it on this side. So as you can see, it kind of comes up to about right here, and then right over here. Okay, so I'm putting it down right here, extra black, and using a lot of pressure. Now, as we get a little bit further out, it's going to get lighter, because this is a smooth sphere here. So I'm going to use another tool that maybe you haven't used. This is called a blending stump. Okay, we want to try to leave this nice and pointy at the end. That'll help you out for small areas. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to work and push the graphite closer to this area up here. Okay. Sometimes you can work in a circular pattern, kind of helps, but you're going to kind of push it up till it fades away. It's kind of the same way that paint works when you're using water, but this is just, you're kind of pushing it up here and kind of getting it so it goes all the way up here, kind of still keeping that shape kind of right in there. You can kind of see it starting to form now. I also can use my finger. This is a little bit smaller sphere, so it's hard to get some detail in there. Okay, so I think right there is pretty good. I'm going to leave that one alone, but I'm also going to put down a shadow. So as you can see right here, I have a shadow that's going to make it look like it's going down on the ground. So what I do is I kind of outline where that's going to be. So I start over here, and then I just make a curve that kind of comes back around. And then this is also going to be darkened in, really black there. Okay, so push that in, and then I can even kind of go like this with my blending stump, just to smooth it out to get rid of those white areas. Okay. Now, so you would work on this other one. You could look at this sheet here that I created so you can kind of see where to put the colors. And if you get done with level 1, you can try level 2. So level 2 is going to have real life objects that you would see. So we got an apple, a mug, a little paper airplane here. And then down here, this one's a challenge. These are going to be little droplets of water that you could try shading. All right, guys, good luck with your work today. You can